Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Southern Mom Life. This is my little girl. She is repeating everything I am saying, so
Including everything repeating.
It's nap time.
It's
And thank goodness for words. So yes, anyways, as I was saying, please like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Rescue operation, save my husband.
I see through the light, no more disguise. The scenery's crashing down to let all the truth be found. Didn't belong, had to move on to somewhere that I could be. Open my eyes and see all of the beauty in front of me, giving back all the energy that I never felt before. Beyond the lights of society that were killing me quietly, now I found myself out of my spirit's awake, I don't feel the same. So many people here, but somehow they disappear. 'Cause all that I trust to crumble to dust, but finally I can breathe. Open my eyes and see all of the beauty in front of me, giving back all the energy that I never felt before. Beyond the lights of society that were killing me quietly, now I feel
A few drops of essential oil down your sink makes your clean sink smell amazing, you guys. You should really try it.
out on my own. Out on my own. Out on my own.
Y'all, this was so frustrating. So the drawer got stuck and I was trying to open it, and on this particular day I had to figure out why and what me, and oh my gosh, like, how am I gonna fix this? Luckily I was able to find out that it was just a screw and no big deal, and you just put the knob back on. But oh my goodness. about to introduce you guys to my sweet babies. I hope you enjoy. They are so loving, and yeah, let's get on into this.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, no, that means I'll have to leave.
You say